Welcome to Legacy Voice Studio.
Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to learn how to write an essay in simple steps. Many students feel confused about essay writing, but don't worry. If you follow a few simple steps, you can write a clear and good essay. First, understand the topic. Before you start writing, read the topic carefully and understand what it is asking. Think about the main idea and what points you want to include in your essay. Second, write the introduction. The introduction is the first paragraph of your essay. In this part, you introduce the topic and give a brief idea about what you will write. The introduction should be short and clear. Third, write the body paragraphs. The body is the main part of your essay. Here you explain your ideas and give details about the topic. Usually, an essay has 2 or 3 body paragraphs. Each paragraph should talk about one main idea. Fourth, write the conclusion. The conclusion is the final part of the essay. In this part, you summarize your main points and finish your essay with a clear ending. For example, if the topic is my favorite teacher, you can start like this. My favorite teacher is Mrs. Sarah. She teaches English in our school. She is very kind and helpful to all students. She always encourages us to learn and improve our skills. Then, in the body paragraphs, you can explain why you like this teacher and how she helps students. For example, she explains lessons clearly and makes learning interesting. She always helps students when they have difficulties. Because of her guidance, many students feel confident in their studies. Finally, you can end the essay with a conclusion like this. I feel very lucky to have such a wonderful teacher. She inspires us to work hard and become successful in life. So remember these 4 steps. Understand the topic, write the introduction, write the body paragraphs, and write the conclusion. Practice writing essays regularly, and your writing skills will improve. Thank you for watching, and keep learning English.
Do subscribe to Legacy Voice Studio.